What do you say we go for a little ride? Ride? Where to? Space. Space? No thanks. I get airsick. Besides, I already told you. I don't have the right stuff to be an astronaut. Space is too unknown to me. I like to be where I'm familiar with things. Well, then it's time that you got more familiar with the unfamiliar. Come on, Gloria, reach out. Go for it. The sky's the limit.
Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks in sleepless eye. Hear a voice shake my window, sweet seducing sigh. Get me out into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this world is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why do they do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that boy, he knows I'm watching. He likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell him that it's human nature. Why do they do me that way? If they say why, tell him that it's human nature. Why do they do me that way?